In 2025, streaming has officially hit a massive milestone. But traditional television really dying, OTT is truly replacing TV. In May 2025, streaming reached 44.8% of total TV usage in the US, while broadcast and cable combined fell to just 44.2%. OTT market is booming, projected to keep growing rapidly, but traditional TV is fighting back. Not so fast, traditional TV isn't dead yet. Welcome to Hypebeast TV, this is Kaveri Bakshigari. So today's our topic is, are OTT platforms replacing television? Imagine this, it's Friday night. Do you fire up Netflix or Disney Plus Hotstar or turn on the good old cable TV? In 2025, streaming has officially hit a massive milestone. For the first time ever, OTT platforms now account for more TV viewing time than traditional broadcast and cable combined in key markets. But traditional television really dying, or is this just hype? Today we are diving deep into whether OTT is truly replacing TV. Stick around till the end for my final verdict. The rise of OTT, over the top or OTT platforms deliver content directly over the internet. No cable box needed and they are exploiting. In May 2025, streaming reached 44.8% of total TV usage in the US, while broadcast and cable combined fell to just 44.2%. Globally, the OTT market is booming, projected to keep growing rapidly with hundreds of millions of new subscribers. While they shift, watch what you want, when you want, no fixed schedules. Algorithms know you better than your friends. Billions poured into shows like The Crown, Squid Games, or regional hits. Watch on your phone during commute or on smart TV at home. In countries like India, OTT users have crossed 600 millions, with platforms like JioCinema and Hotstar leading massive growth. But traditional TV is fighting back. Not so fast, traditional TV isn't dead yet. Globally, linear TV still accounts for around 55 to 57% of total TV watching time, especially around older audience. Here is why TV remains strong. Cricket World Cup, football finals, elections, or breaking news. Nothing beats real-time watching with friends and family. In rural areas and smaller towns, linear TV still dominate household each and trust. Many people just want to turn on the TV without choosing from 10,000 titles. Big brands still love the massive simultaneous audience, plus many traditional broadcasters have launched their own OTT services. Think Paramount Plus, Peacock or Hotstar, so they are adapting rather than disappearing. The how coexistent visuals, smart TV with both apps and cable, family using both. The trust isn't not hybrid future. We are moving toward a hybrid model. Younger viewers heavily prefer OTT. Older viewers and families still repay on linear TV. Smart TVs now make it easy to switch between both. Sports and live events are increasingly moving to streaming, blurring the lines even more. Challenges for OTT subscription fatigue. People paying for 5 to 8 services and risking ad loads on ad-supported tires. Challenges for traditional TV. Declining ad revenue and cord cuttings. Winners, viewers, more choice than ever before. So, are OTT platforms replacing television? Partially, yes, but not completely. They have transformed how we consume entertainment and taken the lead in many markets. But traditional TV still holds its ground for live content and broad reach. The future is hybrid, the best of both worlds. What do you think? Are you team OTT, team traditional TV, or using both? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech and media breakdowns, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.